friends, today we will solve a question on electricity and magnetism. So the question says, in the following figures, all conducting coils are in the YZ plane. The magnet is moved along the plus X axis or the minus X axis with a constant speed V. The direction of induced current in the coils has been shown as viewed from X axis. Identify the diagrams which show correct direction of induced current. There is a coil with center O and a magnet is moved. So we have to identify the direction of the current which flows through the coil. Since we know that the direction of the current in the coil will be such that it resists the motion of the magnet. So if the magnet is moved towards the coil, as in the figure diagram 1, the direction of the induced current will be such that the north pole is repelled by the north pole of the magnet is repelled by the north pole of the magnet is repelled by the north pole which is produced by the current in the coil. So the north pole will be here due to the current in the coil. So we will see if figure 1 is correct or not. So with right hand thumb rule, we can find that if the direction of the current is like this, as it is in the coil, then the north pole will be to the left of the coil, which will repel the north pole, and so it will resist the motion. So choice, the diagram 1 is correct. Now we will move to diagram 2. Here the north pole is moving away from the coil. So the the south pole will be produced to the left of the coil so that the magnet is attracted and it does not move. So the current will be like this. So the north pole is to the right and the south pole is to the left. So the current direction is correct. So figure 2 is correct. Now we will move to figure 3. Here the magnet, the north pole, the south pole is being moved towards the coil. So the coil will resist motion and so it will produce a south pole to the left of the coil. So the direction of the current will be like this, so that the north pole is to the right of the coil and the south pole is to the left of the coil. But in the diagram, the direction of current is opposite, and so figure 3 is wrong. Now we will move to figure 4. In figure 4, the south pole is being moved away from the coil. So now the coil will resist motion, so it will produce a north pole to the left of the coil. So the direction of the current will be like this, as shown in the diagram, so that the north pole is produced to the left and the magnet is attracted by the coil so that it does not change its position. So figure 4 is also correct. So the answer will be D, 1, 2, 4. Only 1, 2, 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.